looking for a delicious crock-pot side dish, then you're gonna wanna keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, I have an easy side dish for you today. We are gonna be making Crockpot Cheesy Hashbrowns. Now, I just wanna give you a heads up right now. This is not a dish that you can put in and go to work and be gone all day. It takes about 3 hours, and it has to have a really good stir because you don't want it sticking to the side, and then it'll go for a little bit longer after that. So I do want to give you a heads up. This is not a drop and go kind of dish. You do need to be around, you know, at least be back home within a 3-hour period. I'm making this today. We're going to be having hamburgers for dinner, and I thought this would be a great side for it. I will go off to work, and I will be back in time to stir it. So I thought I'd go ahead and make it for today's dinner and share it with you. So let me stop talking. We'll quickly go over all the ingredients and then we'll get started. All right, my friends, so we have some black pepper, some salt, ranch seasoning. We have some cheddar cheese, sour cream, 1 can of cream of chicken, 2 bags of the Simply Potatoes shredded hash browns, some what do they call it? Bacon bits, and a little bit of water. And that is all the ingredients that we're going to be using. All right, my friends, as you saw, not a lot of ingredients, and it's so simple to put together, so let's get started. All right, I'm going to first start by spraying my crock pot. I'm going to try to eliminate as much as we can for it sticking to the sides. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my 2 bags of Simply Potatoes. You can find these in the grocery store in the refrigerated section. They're not frozen. Oops, I didn't do a good job cutting that open, did I? So. Alrighty. Break that off. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Then I'm going to add in 2 cups of sour cream. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of the ranch dry seasoning. I love this stuff so much. I have a new container already bought, ready. And then I'm gonna add in a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Just gonna put a little bit of salt in here because that was a little more than I wanted. Because our cream of chicken soup sometimes can be salty, and I would just want to make sure that you know, it's not too over salty. And then the bacon bits as well, we're going to dump them in. Again, like I said, bacon can be salty as well. And then we're going to add in, this is just 8 ounces of cheese. I always buy the 16-ounce block because it's cheaper. And then I just shredded half of it. We're going to dump that in there. And then we're going to give it a good stir. Oh no, I'm lying. I forgot, 1/4 cup of water. All right, now let me just wash my hands real quick and we'll give it a really good stir. All right, my friends, let's go ahead and give this a good stir. Get it mixed up really well. Now, if you want to, you can add, after you do your stir, after the 3 hours, you can top this off with some more shredded cheese, a little bit of scallions, and a little bit more bacon. If you want, just give it, ooh, it's a little hard to mix with my hands. All right. Like I said, it doesn't get crispy on top or anything, but you can do that if you want and let the cheese melt on top. As y'all know, tops don't get crispy in the crock pot. Alrighty, I think we're good. Spread that out. Like I said, you want to make sure that you spray your pan so it will stick to the sides. So, alrighty, let me just wash my hands and then we'll get this turned on. Alright, my friends, we're going to go ahead and put the lid on. Alright, so now we're going to put it on low. And then we're going to put it on for 3.5 hours. I get home, I'll be gone about 3 hours and 10 minutes. So I'm just putting it on for 3:30. Okay, and then I'll check back with you shortly. All right, my friends, so I am back from work. So we're gonna go ahead, take the lid off, give it a quick stir. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit of the Mexican cheese on top, and then I'm gonna put it back in, and then I'll show you when we are done. So let's turn the camera down real quick. All righty, here we go. Now let's go ahead. I don't know if you can see the sides. It did not stick as I sprayed it. Oh, it smells delicious. You see that goodness? Yum. Yum, yum. Oh, it smells so good. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on top and let it go for about another hour, hour and a half. And then we'll be ready. Okay. All right. Put the lid back on. And then we'll check back at dinner time and do a taste test. All right, my friends, so it is time to do our taste test. I'm going to turn the camera down, scoop out a little bit, and let's see how they taste. All right. Yum. They smell delicious. So let's go ahead and plate some up and we'll try them. Alrighty, friends. Oh, looks so good. Wish you guys could smell this. Oh my goodness, they smell so good. Alright, my friends. Let's give them a quick taste test. It's gonna be hot. Mmm. So good. Mmm. I'm not sure if I told you, these cooked for about 5 hours, 5.5 hours maybe. Absolutely delicious. You could also put chicken in this. At the end, have some like rotisserie chicken already cooked. Shred it up, put it in there, mix it really well, and let it go for about a half an hour or so till the, you know, just heats through the meat. It'll be really good. This is so delicious. Absolutely delicious. And you saw, friends, it's very easy, very, very simple. But like I said, you do need to stir it because you don't want it to stick to the sides after about 3 hours. So friends, that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this crock pot recipe. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, go ahead and hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.